welcome back. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the steps to change the hotspot password on your Android phone. For this demonstration, I will be using a Samsung Galaxy phone running Android 14. To begin, navigate to the main settings page and select Connections. Under Connections, tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, followed by Mobile Hotspot. On this screen, you will see the current network name and password. To change the hotspot password, simply tap on Password and edit the existing password. You can delete the current password and enter a new one of your choosing. Once you have entered the new password, tap on Save to confirm the change. Please note that anyone who was previously connected to your hotspot using the old password will be disconnected and will need to use the new password to reconnect. Thank you for watching.